तुझं number 4 ना?
माझं 14.
Number 4. 4 आणि 14 ना?
हा. अनन्या अशी हो.
4 ला अजून लागेल.
1050.
Hello. How are you? Hello. For experience.
Everything you should.
Try.
Ramen bag.
Hi, खाली है. Second ची bag है ना? Today we are trying the Japanese style food and Japanese style.
You order your food, you take the photo, and then you get the people sitting on this bench, and then only you get.
So everyone has their own seat and own counter.
So the thing is that while selecting food, you have to decide what exactly chicken. That's a task because sometimes you can't recognize if it's beef, it's not having whatever you do.
But everything is sorted here. Like in Japanese now, there is a code, there is a ticket, go and pay. There is no language barrier. Yeah, robotic like here. Everything is fixed.
Everything is coded.
Tofu.
I ordered tofu, my favorite.
Tofu soup. And me and so Ananya has ordered chicken.
Tofu udon, sobu udon. That is, udon is from noodles.
Wow. शेअर करू शकतो आपण, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. किती किती वाव. सो
And the best thing is when you are tired with and then you literally drink this soup. Your stress is gone.
Everything is finished. So the food was tasty, and we just paid 25 dirham for each dish. 25 dirham for each dish for ramen and the soup. Amazing.